In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into Bluehost Webmail. This method is perfect if you're an individual user who just needs to check email and doesn't need access to the full hosting account or control panel. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your inbox quickly and reliably. Let's start from the very beginning at the login page. Open your web browser of choice, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and go to the URL bluehost.com/myaccount/login. This is the main login page Bluehost uses for account access, and from here you can choose how you want to sign in. Once the page loads, you'll notice there are different options or tabs for logging in. Because we're focusing on email only, look for the tab labeled Webmail Login. This is important. Many people accidentally stay on the default account login tab and then get confused when their email address and password don't work. To avoid that, make sure you actively click on the Webmail Login tab before you enter anything. After you've selected the Webmail Login tab, the page will change to show the Webmail specific fields. Here's where you'll enter your login details. In the email field, type your full email address. That means the entire address, not just the part before the @ symbol. For example, if your address is something like you@yourdomain.com, you must include the full domain part, not just the username. Leaving that off is a very common reason logins fail. Next, move to the password field and carefully enter the password that is associated with that specific email account. This is not necessarily the same as your main Bluehost account password or your website admin password. Each email account under your hosting plan can have its own unique password, so make sure you're using the one that was created for this mailbox. If you're copying and pasting the password, be careful not to include any extra spaces at the beginning or end, as those will count as characters and can cause a login error. Before you click the login button, it can help to quickly double-check both fields. Confirm that the email address has no typos and that you've included the full domain. Make sure caps lock isn't turned on accidentally, since passwords are case sensitive. Taking an extra second here can save you a lot of frustration from repeated failed attempts. Once everything looks correct, click the login or sign in button on the Webmail tab. If your credentials are valid, you'll be taken into your Bluehost Webmail interface, where you can read, send, and manage your emails without needing to touch the main hosting dashboard. From here, you can organize your inbox, compose new messages, and handle your day-to-day communication. If you find yourself using Webmail frequently on the same computer, you might want to bookmark the login page and always switch to the Webmail Login tab before signing in. That way you can get straight to your email with just a couple of clicks. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to log into Bluehost Webmail directly using your email address and its specific password without needing access to the full hosting account.